Hi, welcome to Baking Mad. Today we're going to show you how to separate eggs. There's 3 really simple ways to separate your eggs. Make sure you stay tuned for the third way, it will blow your mind. So the most common way to separate your egg is to take your egg, to firmly tap it several times on the side of your bowl. Once the shell's broken, you want to pull it apart with your 2 fingers, making sure that you keep the shell upright so that the yolk doesn't escape. So a top tip when breaking your egg this way is to try and break it across the widest part, because then you've got even amount of shell either side, so that you can then tip the egg yolk between the 2 shells until all the white has gone into the bowl beneath. Once that's happened, you just pop your egg yolk into your bowl. So now for the second way to separate your eggs. This is by far the easiest method. However, if you're not one for messy hands, this might not be the one for you. So what you do is you take your egg, again you just break it firmly on the side of your bowl. And then what you want to do is tip the contents into your hand, getting rid of the eggshell. You then gently wiggle it from side to side, separating your fingers so that the egg white can run into the bowl below. Once the majority of the egg white is gone, you'll just want to gently pop the egg yolk into your other bowl. Now for the final way to separate your eggs. Now this one's a really fun one. What you need is 1 empty plastic bottle. You want to break your eggs already, yolk and white, into a bowl. You then take the bottle and you pinch it gently to kind of suck up some air up the bottle. You then hover it over your egg yolk and then let go. And there's your yolk. So just to recap, you want to pinch your bottle, hover it over the egg yolk, up it goes, and then you pop it into your bowl. Just like that. So there you have it, 3 simple ways to separate your eggs. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, or perhaps you could visit Baking Mad for more recipes and inspirations. Thanks for watching, bye!